Ase kakio mwako yamo etimu ya Shabana ya weirege gokoribia ase orogongoriga rwa gusi na boigo gwetania bu no sase Premier League ne asa Premier League chitimu chiroro chigure obulito bwetimu yega wetani kobaigo etimu yega nigo ya weirege gokoribia asingencho yanyorete ogusirwo kuya ose sponsorship kurwa ase e company ekurukwa SportPesa yagerire abanyanchoki abakinkoyo bagokorye bya nabaro batabwati yagerire abakinkoyo betimu yega bakwenda chinse ichisko nokurwa ase etimu yega ya Shabana na kwenda chitimu chinde bono yega tegisi oyo wakere timu ya Bamba Jiji kurwa ase nse ya Tanzania na wetani gokorera igo tkoria rero litkoria Shabana Day elirire gaiga igo twanyorire abadhamini be company yega ya SportPesa uyo otebi nje koro kwa mkate Enoch utatuambia wewe ni nani.
I love all that you said. Naitwa Esther, the head of marketing at SportPesa. Yes.
Let's start. What is SportPesa?
You don't know what SportPesa is? Na umevaa jazi yetu.
Hii ni swali ambao my audience is
That's
asking.
good. Well, SportPesa is a gaming firm. We all into entertainment, but beyond that, we do a lot of sports development. Hence the reason why we're here today. Manake tuna sponsor Shabana, of course, other football clubs, Gor Mahia, Moranga Sale. Beyond football, tuko into rugby. Beyond that, we are in the grassroots space. That's the reason why we have two Gemini. So yes, we are a gaming firm more into entertainment for those that love to bet while you watch the game. But in addition to that, when you lose or the money that you play with us, some of it goes towards sports development.
Na tebiri nare kubekaiga itkoria rero ase ensengma igore litko ria torebobe Shabana Day ase geti gechigo sore kyagusi stadium. What is Shabana Day?
Well, for me, I would say it's more than a celebration. From what I've seen, it's really a platform that unites the fans, the legends. I've seen a couple of legends already, partners. I've seen other people who are here. So it's a platform that gets to unite all these stakeholders. As we've seen also, it goes beyond that in terms of even other partners outside Kenya. In case in point here is Bamba Jiji, who are getting to play with Shabana today. So I would say it goes beyond celebration. It's that day that really unites all these stakeholders, the legends, the fans, the sponsors, in one day to really mark this special occasion.
Natumai haitakuwa Shabana Day ni hivi tuweke kwa kalenda kwamba tarehe 7 kila mwezi wa tisa. That it will be Shabana Day forever.
Ifikie Shabana wasikie hivyo.
Watu wa Shabana mwewe mangana it will be here today, next year and all days tutakuwa tuko hapa.
God willing.
As Shabana Day is here. Another thing nataka kukuuliza leo hii. Why did you choose Shabana?
Why not? The question should be.
No, to me, mbona mkachagua Shabana?
Ama ni wao walituchagua, ama tulichaguana? Great question. I think when you look at all the football clubs in Kenya, Shabana has such a great history. Shabana has such a great story. Obviously, you're aware from 1980 walipoanza, when they even came to actually win in the main league, then they got relegated and they rose again. So I'd say it's an alignment of two big brands in the sense the story for Shabana really speaks into resilience. And if you're aware with what has happened to SportPesa, we were away for a while, so we also did go down and then we rose again. So it's more around the spirit of Shabana and what they believe in that we really feel it connects to also what we believe in. So these are two great brands sharing common, I'd say, synergies, hence the reason why we felt this is a big fit. If you even look at the spirit of Shabana, Tore Bobe. So when you look at that also, Tore Bobe.
Not Bobe, Bobe.
Thank you, that is another friendship. Yes. Yeah, so It's the story of Shabana. It really connects. It's at the heart of SportPesa. And then even in terms of where Shabana see themselves and where SportPesa sees, rather where we want to be, these are two brands with greatness ahead. As a result, it's a great connection for us.
The last 1 year, umekuwa sponsor Shabana.
Yes.
How has it been?
Have you seen the impact yourself? I'd say, in our opinion, as the sponsor, we feel we've been able to bring some level of stability to the company, or to the club rather. In the sense, of course, the sponsorship amount that we give them enables them to have some sense of stability in terms of their operational costs, you know. So they don't necessarily have to worry about some of the operational costs that would make them not to sleep at night. And as a result, the technical team as well as the players, they now focus on the game. And then you're even able to see the style or the skill or the level of play currently, because certain headaches that previously they would have to figure out have been figured out by the sponsor. Additionally, in terms of visibility, because they get to improve their skill of play, which really gives them greater visibility even to scouts, for example, you know. So I believe we've brought in some level of stability to the team, but also we've increased visibility for them to really increase chances of them even playing at a larger scale. Yeah.
That is why Matthew Kisii.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Baada tupata hivyo kile umesema, nataka kuuliza hivi, apart from sponsoring the Premier League clubs, that is Shabana, that is
Gor Mahia, Moranga Seal. Yeah.
Najua Shabana na Moranga Seal wako some rivalry, ni kama Gor Mahia na Shabana.
Okay. That's good. It's good to have the rivalry.
The good thing, rivalry in Moranga Seal, Gor Mahia and Shabana, both teams ni wa mama mmoja.
Exactly. Hence the reason why we actually call it what now? SportPesa Day. Yes, we know we have the derby days, yes. But then when these teams play, it's also SportPesa Day. Yeah.
Zaidi ya hiyo, the clubs, what do you do with other clubs?
What we do with other clubs? Yes, so we're not just into football. We are into rugby as well. So of course the main team Shujaa, and courtesy of us coming back to sponsor them, that's where they came back into playing in the top league, HSBC series, even though we know now it's been broken into 2 tiers. So there's rugby, and it's not just on the main team. We also have rugby for the legends, what we call as SportPesa Legends. It's actually the return leg with Uganda is happening on the 27th of September in Nairobi at RFUA grounds. We also have Nondies that we also sponsor, but outside rugby we also are into grassroots, as I mentioned, and this is where Tujiamini comes in. So it's really into supporting grassroots talent, be it sports or anything else. Yeah.
Na tunapoingia sasa Tujiamini, speak to common mwananchi outside there. What is Tujiamini?
It's all about believing in yourself. We have various talents that probably would actually be showcased out there, but people are not believing in that. So Tujiamini is all about giving you that opportunity or that space to actually showcase that. Beauty about it is there's something that touches on community, there's something that touches on individuals, there's actually something else that touches on football, but it's really a platform that really caters for the grassroots people to also get a platform to really showcase their talent. So I would say all you need to do is go to tujiamini.co.ke. That's the website. Please log in there. Please log in there and make your application. Currently applications are for Nyanza because month on month we are in different regions. So say to Nyanza, so please apply. So there is the gold award, there is silver, there is bronze, and then there is Chezedimba. So it goes all the way till the end of the year. After this we'll come to another region, and then we end it in November where applications open nationwide. So please visit tujiamini.co.ke, find out more details, especially if you are from Nyanza, apply because application ends on the 30th of September.
Na hiyo umesema kwamba kila mtu ambaye ako huko ako na talanta. Ako wale watu ambao wanasaidiana. Villages.
Yes.
That is the community.
Yes.
They can do it. Anybody awangali miaka, awangali kama ni club.
Of course you have to be 18 and above.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So yes. That's one of the main criteria. Age is a factor, so 18 and above. Yeah.
Na mwisho naongelesha watu wote ambao
if you are in Kisii, please, Kisii Stadium is the place to be. So tokelezea tayari Shabana team wamefika, Pamba Jiji wamefika, a couple of games have already happened, entertainment kibao. So please tokelezea, let's show our Tore Bobe spirit and let's support our Shabana on this day. So tokelezea if you are in Kisii.
Radio sasa. Watu wa radio. Ndio hiyo tunauliza. Sasa tuko mambo ya SportPesa. Gaming. Tuingie hapo. Tuingie hapo na dada tuingie SportPesa. Ongelesha hiyo. Let's talk about now. The game tumemaliza wakati tuko kwa because not all of us can play na miguu but we can play with our phones.
I like that.
Tuingie sasa.
That's good.
Kufungua account yangu sasa.
All right, good. So for you to register with SportPesa, I must admit or rather say lazima play responsibly. You must be 18 plus. So we are key advocates for responsible gaming. Only play matters entertainment. So this is another form of entertainment. So don't use your school fees, don't use your rent. Just use money for entertainment. And then it's very easy for you to get into SportPesa. If you want to register via SMS, all you need to do is SMS the word accept or kubali to the short code 79079. It's free, so you won't be charged that SMS cost. Kwa wale watu wa smartphones, you can get our app on SportPesa, on Google Play Store, not SportPesa. You'll find the SportPesa Kenya app on Google Play Store. Wase wako on kucheza kwa web, you can play on the website, so ke.sportpesa.com, that's where you play. So those are the platforms. You will find SportPesa and then you'll get the rest of the instructions. We have Mega Jackpot, we have Midweek Jackpot, we have a lot of games in the other sporting field, and beauty about us is we pay instantly. It doesn't matter how much you win, as soon as the whistle blows, you get your money in your SportPesa account.
Tell us about Mega Jackpot.
So as you mentioned, we have two. We have what we call the Mega Jackpot. If you've been following SportPesa, the largest Mega Jackpot in the whole of Africa was won like a month ago by one Boni Kamau when it was at 424 million. So yeah, so he won that. When it's won, it resets at 100 million. Currently, we are at over 102 million. So that plays over the weekend. And then we have the Midweek Jackpot that plays midweek. So those are the two jackpots that customers can play with, and you only need 99 bob to play.
Ile swali wacha tu nikuulize. A genuine one. Nishinde 17 teams. Yes, ni Mega.
Yes.
Nishinde 17, just predicting a win. Napata hizo kama ni 400 zilikuwa na win zote.
As I mentioned,
na ile lazima dakika ya 40 ndio aliwin. Kama hizo ziko.
No, for Mega Jackpot it's just your prediction for all the 17 games. Ukisema kama ni home win ama ni away win ama itakuwa draw, that's all you need to do.
Hakuna mambo ingine.
And as said, you will deposit your money instantly. Ask Boni Kamau if you can. Aliposhinda too, the money was reflecting already on his account. Utaget ingine.
Get another one.
Yeah.
Thank you. Mwesi na mwatebigwe nabo oko nyora ose nabo koboyo mase bali ba ko win chibase chiga ase SportPesa na batebiri the viewers people birega bali moniga Shabana day, it's today nje kuru kwa mkate Enoch, one and only the best bread in town.